Welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to explore a feature that keeps your Facebook inbox tidy and organized: archived chats. If you've been wondering where those old conversations went, this tutorial is for you. Let's dive right in. First, open Facebook on your PC. It's easy to get started from there. Once you're logged in, head to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see the Messenger icon. Click on it to access your chats. This is where all your conversations are stored, but we're interested in the ones you've moved out of sight. Now, look for the three dots icon. It's usually located in a prominent spot, and clicking on it reveals a drop-down menu with some useful options. From this menu, select Archived Chats. This is where Facebook stores conversations you've chosen to move away from your main inbox. When you click on Archived Chats, you'll be taken to a new section of your Messenger inbox. Here, you'll find all the conversations you've archived over time. These chats aren't deleted. They're just stored away for future reference. Whether you're looking to revisit an old conversation or find some important information, this feature is incredibly useful. Archiving chats helps declutter your inbox while keeping important conversations safe. If you need to bring a chat back into your main inbox, you can easily unarchive it by following similar steps within the Archived section. Facebook's archiving feature is a great way to manage your online interactions without losing any data. It's perfect for keeping track of past conversations or storing away chats that you don't need to see every day. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tech tips and tricks. We're always here to help you navigate the digital world with ease. Stay tuned for more updates, and we'll see you in the next video.